what is localization? It is basically, it helps you to adapt the UI and the content for specific region or locale. Also, it takes into consideration the region's cultural and linguistic specifics. And during these types of testing, we may verify translated text, address, format, sequence, keyboard usage, visual aligned to the culture, time, currency formats, and many more. If you need to manually perform such testing, we can use the developer tools, as you can see depicted in the image, to simulate these coordinates, right? And later I will show you how to do this with code. Another example, if you're, for example, AliExpress user, you can choose your preferred language, and the page content will be translated into this language. This is where localization comes into the picture, where the contents are localized to meet the requirements of the specific culture and region. And here in the image, you can see AliExpress in Japanese.